alẹ́dẹ̀dẹ̀ bami àti èmi ọmọ Adémiládé Elizabeth Lijoka mo mà ti tó wá ọmọ àrẹ̀lẹ́gùn.
Hi guys, welcome to Get a Brand Life TV. This is a quick one. As you can see on the thumbnail, there's a little girl I want you guys to watch. I stumbled upon a page on TikTok, and I want you guys to let us make this little girl popular, because she's a very good example of what I call tradition. When you say tradition, we are catching them young, and this little girl is pretty much a good example of our tradition as Yoruba. She's a Nikale girl, and I'm proud of her. So I want you to watch the video.
Alẹ́dẹ̀dẹ̀ bami àti èmi ọmọ Adémiládé Elizabeth Lijoka mo mà ti tó wá ọmọ àrẹ̀lẹ́gùn uboyo weti ho daro oka ọmọ agboro ìládòkun ọmọ Lijoka àbáwọn ọmọ sásọlọgá ògúnràkà lókun ó gbọ́wọ́ òkun lóbìnrin ọmọ gẹ́nẹ́gẹ́nẹ́ bí ìsúdẹ anáyàmá nábèsè ó kó mi dangbẹ́rẹ́sẹ̀lé òkè lílá nẹ́yìn apèrè pé ó ìnàmú kọ̀ọ̀kọ̀. Saru semeti for èdè yìí jẹ́ yọ̀ngá tẹ́ àbámi yèmí mà súnṣẹ́ tẹ́ o àwọn ọkọ mi ní èdè yìí mẹ́fọ̀ yìí ni àjọ dédé bàmí àti yèmí mẹ́bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni jí akọ àwọn ọmọ ńlá ní èdè àṣà àti ìbílẹ̀ torí pé àgbàlagbà fọ̀ pé ọ̀nà yóò bá ti gbàgbé ulé èdè àṣà àti ìbílẹ̀ pé àpò òyà òun mà gbé kọ̀ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Now, I'm using this opportunity to tell all parents that they should teach their children languages and cultures and traditions, and that wherever they are in the world, that they should never be put aside. Thank you.
Let's support this little girl by sharing this video. I share this video so that people can know her. She just started as a little girl, but I'm very sure that she would be known for what she does. Thanks to her parents. And I can say I'm very proud of her. Thank you.